Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces. For your daily energies, career situation and relationship Pisces, we are picking few cards guys. So these cards are for your daily energies. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking more cards guys. So these cards are for your relationship and few more cards for your career situation guys. So we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading guys. So these cards for your career situation. So let's start with your daily reading first. Let's see what are these cards here. Fortune's wheel, six of earth and six of fire. So with these cards in your situation Pisces, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation guys. So in your career or personal life, you are in an important position today. You are showing your talents, skills, and your circumstances are such that you are in the you are in a very important position today in life. A person who is making important decisions or who holds great responsibility, and people around you, they appreciate you for your talent, skills, and you are seeing a positive growth in your life today guys. And maybe for some of you, help is coming in many ways guys. Pisces, whatever choices or whatever path you are taking up, you are getting financial aid or emotional support and help in um, through unexpected sources. So you see, things are moving towards something positive in your career or it may be in your personal life, and you are feeling that your life itself is aligning with luck, and greater potential possibilities are there opening right in front of you, and destiny is meeting synchronicity. So some kind of coincidences you are seeing today in your situation. So when you have that trust in your actions, when you have that faith in your actions, belief in yourself, and you're seeing some lucky breaks in your situation, maybe certain things that were going slow, delaying or getting suspended, you see a sudden spurt in the moment, something unfolding at a much faster pace, something unexpected. So destiny may be the reason for things going in a positive way guys. So positive turn of events, that is what I see guys with these cards Pisces for your daily energy. So these energies may relate to your career situation or personal life situation guys. So let us see what it is. We will turn these cards now for your relationship. Queen of earth, four of fire, and fool. So with these cards in your situation Pisces, I see that you are having that innocence and curiosity today in this relationship with this person. You want to understand this person, you want to uh, know everything about them, and you are not afraid to open yourself to them. So you are learning about this person and learning about this connection, and you want to be open with them, ready to take that risk, to show yourself whether this person will like or not, but you are ready to show your true self to them. And also in your situation today, Pisces. You are a very what to say, a reliable person, truthful person, honest and committed, responsible. So you have um, that trust on yourself, and you want this other person also to trust you, so you are showing out what is there in your heart, and by that this person will understand you better, and you will both able to build that beautiful understanding. So I see things are proceeding in a positive way, guys, and I also see celebration. Maybe you are celebrating this love, or this person is celebrating this love with you, and you are in a perfect, harmonious relationship, and you are working magic together in this relationship. You both have that friendship, mutual respect and caring, understanding with each other, and things are going in a very positive way in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This person is reliable, down to earth, and you feel really happy to be with them, to be in this connection with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your relationship. Let's see what are these cards for the career situation, guys. Call, Ten of Air, and Star. So with these cards, guys, for your career situation, today you are in a situation where you're thinking what are your motives, what are your intentions, and why you are um in this particular circumstances, and you are defining your goals and dreams today. By doing that, you are seeing the path towards success. You are aligning yourself with the right action and moving towards greater abundance and prosperity. You are working in an authentic way in your career situation. So that may be the reason that you are seeing some new beginnings, a change in the way you are thinking today, change in the way you are perceiving your situation, and it is taking you towards something great, guys. You have that inspiration, cheerfulness in your heart, and you are able to recognize what is the right path and what is the right choice for you in your career. So overall, I see very positive set of cards here, Pisces. Let it be your career or personal life, you are happy for how things are going, a new beginning in your career, maybe in your personal life. Positive change of events is what I see for y'all, guys, and that is the reading. Pisces, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.